If you work in Microsoft Word often, setting your default paper size to A4 can save you a lot of time and help keep every document consistent from the start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set A4 as the default paper size in Microsoft Word, so you do not have to change it manually every single time you open a new file. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. This is where you'll find the page setup options for your document. After that, click Size. You'll see a list of different paper sizes appear, and from here, select A4. That changes the current document to A4, but we are not done yet because we still need to make it the default for future documents. Next, look at the Page Setup section and click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This opens the full page setup window with more advanced settings. Inside that window, click the Paper tab and confirm that A4 is selected as the paper size. This step is important because it makes sure Word is preparing to save the correct setting as your default. Once you've confirmed that A4 is selected, click Set as Default. Word may ask if you want to change the default page setup for all new documents based on the normal template. When that prompt appears, click Yes to confirm. And that's it. From now on, new Word documents should open with A4 as the default paper size, which is especially useful if you regularly work with standard international formatting, school assignments, office documents, or printable files. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.